Hi, Karen. Let's take a look at that learning plan. You had asked about exporting it. So I inserted your catalog number for your course, Cultural Anthropology. Here it is. All right, so I'm going to click on the course name. I'm going to let that load into WIDS. At the left-hand side, which you've already done, click on your course LPs, your learning plans, and then again, underneath, course learning plans. Here, actually, you should be able to see it right here at this screen. If you don't, you can click on My Learning Plans up at the top in the brown bar up there. Now, just a friendly reminder, when you're working in WIDS, you can see all of your material that you're developing. No one else can see it until the WIDS administrator publishes that. So that's why I can't see it here. I don't have the proper permissions to be able to see it. You should be able to see it. Then once you have it here, at the left-hand side, click Quick Prints, and then pull up your learning plan again. Once you have it all done and ready to go and you're ready to show it to me, actually, let me just try. I'm just going to do a refresh here and see. I can never remember what permissions I have. Oh no. Okay, so I can't see it. You'll see it. Once it's pulled up here on the right-hand side, then choose Export. I'd recommend that you export to Word or to a rich text file because sometimes when you export it to a PDF, WIDS doesn't always export it well and it ends up looking funny and it's hard to follow. So if you export it to Word, for example, then you can manipulate it a little bit and make sure that it's just easy and useful for you, which is what you want in the end. And once you have it exported, then you can ship it off to me. Either upload it again to Blackboard or you can email it to me. That's fine. And of course, email me at any time if you have questions. Okay, thanks.